Hi, and welcome to Jobsy Daisy on the go. I'm Jobsy Daisy, and I'm always up to something, whether it's starting new projects or just finishing up one of the 50 that I already have on the go. I decided to create this YouTube channel because in about 2 months, my husband and I, we are moving away from London to this beautiful little cottage just outside Gothenburg in Sweden. And I thought it was a great opportunity to just show the process of moving abroad as well as the renovation of this cottage because it's currently in a bit of a state. There will also be some furniture restoration, so if that is your cup of tea, then yeah, please subscribe. Diagnosed with ADHD, moving abroad is going to be incredibly stressful for me, so expect some venting and complaining, but hopefully I'll find some outlets in creating funny shorts where, I don't know, stick my cats down moving boxes and send them off to nowhere. I can also promise a lot of just frustration and outbursts, but over that, a lot of love, laughter, and just outbursts of joy. So we will level out there. And I'm really, really looking forward to this adventure, and I really hope that you want to share it with me. So yeah, hit the subscribe button, and I am looking forward to share my next video with you. I have so much to do here in London before I move, so I hope a video is coming soon. So until next time, goodbye.